Well, I'm here at the Apantac stand here, IBC 2019, one of 3 videos we're doing here, so don't forget to check out the other 2, all with this man, Mr. Thomas Tang. Hi, Thomas.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, very good. In this particular video, we're going to concentrate on some new multi-viewers you've got.
That's right. So we have several really popular multi-viewers that we released over the years. For example, the MI16, the MI8 12G, the MX32, and the DI16. So they take different flavors of input, and they've been really, really popular for the last 3-4 years. So this year, what we did is we really bumped it up again to have UHD output on all of them.
Right. So give us a quick overview of what we're getting with these.
So here, what we're doing here is a UHD output of the MI8 12G UHD. So you can see we could stretch this window quite large. We have audio meters and all the cool stuff that Apantac always offers you. Nice looking labels, tally, meters. In a following screen, we'll see the clocks, logos, and all that. Yeah.
And obviously, the big advantage of the UHD output is just the quality of each individual window. That's
right. So this window here, when it's 12G coming in, see it's now stretched quite well. So instead of a normal 1080p or 1080i coming in, now you can actually match it pixel by pixel.
Brilliant. Now, these are the first time I've seen these. What are the availability of these units?
These are all available now, and I'd like to switch to a couple of different ones. So, for example, that's 12G, right? Now, this is 3G input and UHD output, and that actually is pixel by pixel, right? So now we have all the cool stuff still here. And this one here, it's all HDMI inputs. Right. So we don't just do 3G, 12G, we also do HDMI inputs.
I mean, when it's obviously can't pick it up so much on camera, but the quality of this is amazing now we're on the HD output.
1080p, 1080p in, 1080p out, right? So this one here is the 32 input. So you actually have 32 input. You can have 16 input on either one of the outputs. Right. Okay, and any input to any output, and all in UHD.
Thomas, as always, amazing from you guys here. Obviously, people can come and have a look at this if they weren't able to come and see you. What's the website they can go to?
www.apantac.com, and the products are available now.
Hey. Thank you very much, Thomas. That's fantastic. You want to find out more about the amazing range of multi-viewers here from Apantac, go and have a look at their website. For more from us at IBC 2019, don't forget to check out kitplus.com.